Alright, so I've been thinking about making this video for a while. Mr. Beast did this like a couple months ago now, but basically he made a video and he said it to upload 5 years in the future. And it was back when, he was a small creator before he had his millions and millions of subs. They just kind of gave me the idea, and today is February 26th. Today is February 25th, 2021, and we officially just hit 1,000 subscribers. Unbelievable. Can't believe we're finally here. This is such a great moment. To the guys, Paul, Brent, Tim, guys, we got here. I can't wait to see what's in store for our future with Caswell Customs. We talked about, starting this, as a group, as friends, and I'm so excited to see where we're at in 5 years. We've been doing this for a year and a half, and we just hit 1,000 subs, about to apply for YouTube monetization. We're super close to 10,000 followers on TikTok. I don't even know if that's going to be around in 5 years, but guys, this is so awesome. I'm so happy we're here, and I can't wait to see this in 5 years and see what we've grown and what we've done together as a team, as a group, as my best friends. I couldn't ask for a better group to be doing this with. I hope this video is a surprise to you as it is to me, because I'm probably going to forget about it. I'm sure periodically I'll think about it, but I'll probably forget about it, because think about how many videos we're going to upload in the next 5 years. To everyone who's helped us, Paul. I meant to say Brent's dad, so JD, Tanya. I was so excited. I don't know what happened there, but I meant to say JD and Tanya. Thank you so much. His parents let us do stuff at his house. Greg and Marianne, Paul's parents, let us do stuff at their house. Kim and Jeff, all your guys' support, always watching our videos. To my parents, letting us take this trailer and build it into our travel camper. I could not be more appreciative. Thank you guys so much. I love you guys, and just everything you've helped me out through in the years. I would not have been able to do this without my family, without you guys. And to Grace, I love you. This is 8 months before our wedding. I can't wait, for our future together, but it's just crazy. Like I said, I believe this is just our beginning, but I want to make this, because I thought it was just a cool idea. See what, this kind of like time capsule right now in 5 years, what things are going to be like. So excited, guys. I'm on just this high right now, just because, like I said, we just hit 1,000 subs. And I know for a lot of creators, 1,000 subs is nothing. Obviously, you got to start somewhere. So just super happy to be with you guys doing this. And I'm really excited to see where we're at in 5 years when this comes out. It's going to be unbelievable. This sled's a 2020. It's basically brand new. Who knows what's going to happen in 5 years? Who knows what's going to happen with the truck. Brent's truck, Paul's truck, Tim's truck, everything else we're doing as a group. It is crazy. But guys, this is our first step, and I'm really excited to look back on this in 5 years. But guys, we did it. We're here, and like I said, I can't wait to see what we do moving forward. I keep repeating myself, so I'm gonna go ahead and end this. But to everyone who's helped us over the years, I hope you guys see this as a cool little time capsule to see where we started. It's crazy, I'm 25, turning 26. 2020 was a crazy year. We were able to accomplish so much. Probably 2021 is probably gonna be just as crazy. Heck, Paul, Brent, and I are all getting married this year, and just so much going on. So, guys, really excited we're here where we are. Can't wait to see where we are in 5 years. So, we'll see this in 5 years when this gets posted. And to all of our subscribers who've, gotten us to this point and hopefully get us to where we are when this comes out, thank you guys so much. We love you. We could not do this without you guys. And this has just been incredible. And like I said, this is just the beginning of our journey. I'm so excited. And so in honor of how I ended every video, who knows if I'm going to do this in the future or what I'm doing now for the end of our videos. But once again, I'm Vinny with Caswell Customs, and we'll see you in the next one. You stole